viewers, welcome back to Expression YouTube channel. My name remains Sonia Odeji, your baby girl for life. So in today's video, I'll be creating a pony you can do by yourself, and what we'll be needing for the pony hairstyle is gel, your split gel, and your oil sheen. Most importantly, Expression product, which is Lagos braid and natural yaki. So I'll move to this other side to show you the steps to take. So for my braiding, I'll be needing 2 bundles of braids. Then I'll pack them together. So you pack it together. This way. So I'll pack them together and braid. So I'll gel my natural hair. So I'm doing a high pony. Well, aside from high pony, you can also do a down pony with created pony. This is actually easy. I created band hairstyle with natural yaki. You may also want to go see it, and you may use the link on the description box. So I'll apply my split gel so it will dry fast. This is the part where I braid the extension, so I could attach the natural yaki and it step by step. So I'll actually braid it to the finish. So this is the braiding part of the ponytail. I actually braid from the beginning to the finish. So I want to attach my natural yaki to it. So as you can see, the natural yaki has 5 bundles, which is good for the style I want to create, and is a 1-pack style. I'll start with 1 bundle. I'll be using double weft, and I'll start from the middle part of the hair. So I'll be sewing line by line, like step by step. So my ponytail is ready. The finished product is ready. So I will oil it and detangle it. Now I attach my pony. Hi guys, this is the final look for the high pony. So I'll switch over to the low pony. I'm done with my long ponytail. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd like you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section below. Thank you.